Hey folks, I'm Adrian. I'm one of the founders of Cademy, and I'd like to show you our latest update, and that's gift vouchers. Now, when you look at one of the courses, now you'll see a buy as a gift link. When you click on that, it takes you into the gift checkout flow. So you can now buy a gift card. You can enter the details of the recipient, and you'll see the details within the gift card preview update in real time. So you can enter a message here to personalize the gift card if you wish. You have a few options to choose how the gift card will be shared once you purchase it. So if you choose email, we'll email the gift card, the gift voucher as soon as the purchase is complete. Postcard will post it by mail, and lastly PDF, and the customer will get a prompt to print this at the end of the purchase. So if we just let's pick email, enter an email here. Let's pick £50 for the amount. This is our customer details for the receipt after the purchase. I'll just complete this purchase with a test card. And there we go. So order is complete. In this case, I still have the option to print the voucher if I want to, but I chose the email option at the end. So this is the receipt for the person who purchased this, and this is the gift card that the end recipient is getting, including the redeem code here, right? Nice and simple. Now, to redeem a gift card, the customer just simply have to go, and when they book a class, they can simply enter that redeem code at checkout to apply it, just like so. So you can see that in this case, the voucher covers the full amount, so I wouldn't be prompted to pay. Now, if you have your own vouchers already in the wild, you can enter them in Cademy, and people will be able to use them towards your courses. Simply go into the apps section, go into the vouchers. You might be prompted to install it if it's your first time, so you'll see an install sheet just like this. But once you're done, you just come in here and you'll see all of your issued vouchers, and you can issue new vouchers. You include the amount, you include the redeem code if you already have vouchers issued. You just copy those redeem codes in here, and you choose when the expiration date and who the recipient is. That's all it takes, and people will be able to use those vouchers towards your courses specifically in the future. That's all. Let us know what you think of this update. Take care.